let it sit there in her face. Let it sit there. A little bit better. A little bit better than the others. They're getting a little bit bigger. Oh, no, she's still full. So that's 3 that we don't throw back. You keeping them?
Yeah, that's whole fries.
Oh yeah, man, I be forgetting. Everybody don't fillet everything. Whole fries work. That's what happens when you bougie, folks.
Them old country folks, they like them whole fries. Net.
No, I don't need the net. Look, but I guess since I got a net, I might as well use it. Let me go get it set up. Yes, sir. She's gonna make the cut, folks. We're going on to get that daggone video set up while I'm. Oh, go get him! Go get him! Oh, see, I should have got the net on this one.
You think so? On our catch them, they usually cook.
Oh, is that like that, huh? What is that in YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days, and then wow! So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It's Drysdale, and today we are out here on Lake Oconee. We almost had a double. We're gonna call this a double because I just pulled mine out. And right after I put mine in the bucket, he called his. We're out here on Lake Oconee with Chris Hughes. What you gotta say to the folks, man? What you gotta say to the folks?
It's a good day to be out on the lake. It's a beautiful day, and we're catching some nice crappies.
Well, there we go. So, folks, as always, we're gonna see if we can put some of these Oconee slabs in the boat. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves these comments. And folks, I'm trying to get more engagements so that I'll know who's watching. My analytics, I'm starting to look at that kind of stuff on YouTube. So, folks, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Blowing them up. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. She gonna make the cut too. Did they come back? Ha ha! Oh wait! They love you, baby. You don't get 2 kisses. I got him for you. Yeah. I got the baby though.
You got the baby?
Yeah, I got the baby. He ain't know enough to know no better. See, is this here?
A lot of them are babies.
This kind of fish right here. This kind of fish right here got me the little fish title in that tournament this weekend.
Did it?
Yeah.
You was catching some little ones?
I only caught like 2 little ones. I placed 4.
Oh, did you?
But they had money for little fish. Man, it don't matter when we come out here. Every time we come out here, you hear that. It does not matter. I mean, it's cold outside, nigga. Golly. Oh, grabbed it in here. Yeah, he's big. And it has some teeth. Oh, God. Ooh, that's the fish. You need the net? No. Just for the record, I got a new net, man.
You want to use it?
Yeah, I gotta get her wet. So, oh, you know what? Oh, get him on up out of there.
He's aggressive. I like that.
Here you go. Another baby.
Another baby.
Another baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Nobody moved. Oh, shoot, I'm talking about nobody moved. What am I talking about?
That's good, man.
Small food, bigger fish.
Yeah.
Come here, girl. Come here, girl. She gonna make the cut, folks. She gonna make the cut. She followed me in the stealth mode. Didn't even see it. Dancing across the top of it. Come on, baby. Ooh.
Ah. No, is he about the same size as that one or what? That one, other one a little bigger, huh?
Let's see. What you looking at?
Damn,
A little small.
yeah.
When you hold found, man, they all think of the grease.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, come out there. A little too curious, baby. A little bit too curious. Nice fish. If I can get in the boat. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry. Got it back. Now we're getting into some good fish.
You can see her. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're getting into some good fish now. Hey, baby. Yeah.
I mean, she's borderline.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I ain't got a really tight too. I got a tight jig. That ain't so bad. I thought I had to tie leaders on both of them. Ain't gonna take me that long. Mount one on the back of my boat, which is where Jeremy came into play. Oh, there you go. That's good. She looked like she came up twisted. Yeah, so they kind of finicky. We sitting on a bunch of.
Hey man,
Yo,
you on YouTube?
beg pardon?
You on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
I thought I see that. I watch your videos all the time, man.
Hey, man, thanks. Appreciate it.
CMI or Drysdale?
I'm Drysdale.
Okay.
Yeah,
You up at Clark Hill the other day?
I was Friday and Saturday. What's your name?
Sam?
Sam. Appreciate you, Sam.
Oh yeah. I subscribed to you yesterday. I've been watching your videos for a while.
Oh, okay. Well, then, hey. Well, welcome to the Drysdale family.
Oh yeah.
Get him?
Yep. Got him the second time he came down here.
He's good, ain't he? He's a eater.
He gonna keep. See, that was one of them scoopers. I didn't feel it, but I saw when he came out, he scooped.
Mm-hmm.
Dog,
You
hit
missed it?
twice. Yeah, he hit twice.
Yeah.
Wait, what are we doing? I'm gonna push up to him at 12 feet.
I'm seeing him. Look. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, sorry.
She gonna make the cut. She should get some camera love.
Get some camera love. She gonna keep.
Yep, she gonna make it too.
Yep.
Yeah, leave it.
She gonna keep.
Waiting on you to let him go. You gonna let me go? Drysdale just let. Oh God dog it. Drysdale just let one sit in the water. Maybe he'll do it too.
No, he's gonna go to ground color. I know I feel that.
Ooh. I felt that one.
Oh,
What happened?
they keep stomping it, but there ain't no shaking.
Uh-oh. Got the hook in the back of my neck.
In the back of your neck.
Back of my jacket here somewhere. Grab it for me.
Oh. Hold on, bro. There you go.
She gonna keep. That's a good whole fryer. Drop that 15 feet and let it push me around. I got it.
Got it. Right there. You see him come up in there?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, you keep. Uh-oh, sorry.
No, you good that way. Get him out of there, Chris. Get him out of there. Ooh, two nice fish.
Yeah. Get him out. Get him out. He had that bell closed this time. Need your net?
No, I don't need net on this one.
I think they may be waking up for us, Johnson.
It might be.
He hit it.
I got him for you. I ain't gonna let him bully you, Chris.
Don't let him bully me.
I ain't gonna let him bully you. Come here, Josh. She gonna make the cut. Yeah, hooked in the top of the mouth. That's what you get. Don't be. You thought he was fishing by himself. You didn't know he had backup. So when you punched him, caught yourself trying to turn around and run away, I was right there with you. Bow! Got him right in the top of the mouth. Let me get my net wet. Let me get my net wet just in case. Just in case.
Get it wet.
Yep. Oh shoot. Let me bring this fish in here. I'm messing around with the net. She gonna get off while I'm playing around. She hooked in the top of the mouth. She ain't going nowhere. Got a nice little belly on her.
She got some eggs.
She just been eating. Hey, pretty girl. Oh.
Right. Scooper.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Uh-oh.
Tighten that up.
Right there. I tell you we was gonna need the net this time around.
You did say so.
You recording?
Yeah, this is recording. Yep.
You really speak.
put her to work. Let's put her to work. But again, she ain't hooked in the top of the mouth, but see, she hooked in the bottom. She might have been able to get off of it. You know, she's looking pretty good.
Back up.
Hooked in the bottom of the mouth.
You got them spooked for real.
Yeah, I spooked them. That amount from the rent that you pay. And that's me paying for it. That way. And be like, okay. I ain't planning on paying. Oh well, you ask that. Say again? Oh no. Golly.
Got a shimmy.
I got my shimmy.
Get you.
That's a bass though. Don't you want a hybrid or something?
Yeah, we're eating them though.
Drag. Yeah. Where'd she go? There we go. That's a hybrid drag. Come on. Oh shoot. Come on. Get that. Trying to let her have some drag. Bring her on. Bring it on. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Oh shit. Bring it to me. Let's put the net in the water. Put the net in the water. There you go. How about that?
Yep.
I got a good little net right here. Yeah, she danced around a little bit. What do you say?
Ah.
That hard. Mouth, baby. Don't you want it out your mouth? There you go. Calm down a little bit.
You want pliers?
No, I got it.
Maybe I need me about 4 rods. How much your rods cost?
Depends on the one you get. All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap it up for another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. You can see Chris and I put a hurting on him. Chris, what you got to say, man? What you got to say?
Hey, I want to appreciate Drysdale for inviting me to come out and on this beautiful day on a Friday, all Friday, and catch some of these wonderful, tasty but evil crappie.
There you go. Also, we started off this morning. We're in the season right now where it is freezing cold in the morning. Well, freezing. It's cold in the morning. I don't know about freezing, but I can't stand cold weather. It's cold in the morning, cold brisk mornings. You gotta layer up, and you end up taking layers off by the time you get to the afternoon. We're at the point now where we're about ready to start putting layers back on because the sun is about to go down. It goes down early now. So, as always, folks, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, Chris Hughes, catching more of these evil but
Tasty.
sure enough tasty crap. Until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.
That's a 40 burger, right?
Yes, sir.